Jai Swaminarayan. Hello friends, this is our fourth video lecture. In last three video lecture, we have already discussed about one function, many one function and onto function and some examples, right? Again we discuss another examples and we try to understand concept of one, many one and onto function. Okay, let us discuss about some examples. Okay, first example, f is a function from R to R, fx equal to ax plus b, where a is not equal to 0. A is the coefficient of x. Exactly same question here, all are same. We are discuss only this one, right? Okay, these two are also linear equation. Okay, look here. First we discuss one function. Method number 2. Second method. Okay, every x1 x2 belongs to R, domain of f. Here domain and codomain are same, so we write the domain of f. fx1 equal to fx2. Okay, fx1 is equal to what? ax1 plus b. fx2 equal to ax2 plus b. Right? Cancel. bb cancel. So remaining term ax1 equal to ax2. Again a cancel. So x1 equal to x2. Right? We take here fx1 equal to fx2 and answer will get x1 equal to x2. Therefore, one function. Is that clear? So this function fx equal to ax plus b, here one function. Same, exactly same here. Same method in this two sum. Now we discuss onto function. And onto function method number 2. We apply here second method. Which statement? Onto function. There exists y belongs to R. Here codomain. We take here y belongs to R in a codomain R. Okay? Okay. Now fx equal to y. This is our statement. This is our conditions. Now fx is what? ax plus b. ax plus b equal to y. Okay. Now we try to subject here x. Now b in right side. So ax equal to y minus b. X equal to y minus b upon a. Here a is not 0. Okay, so denominator never can be 0 and b is also some constant value, any one. Okay, and y here belongs to R. R is the codomain. So any one here put it. So answer always belongs to domain. Right? Okay. So x equal to y minus b upon a always belongs to R, domain of f. So this function is one also and onto also. So linear function, these all are. Right? This is one and onto. Clear? Now we discuss quadratic equation. This is one quadratic polynomial. Right? Okay, look here. fx equal to x square minus x minus 2. We try to factorize here. Here last term is 2. Right? Factorize by 2. 2 ones are 2. X minus 2 and x plus 1. Here not possible. Factor of 5. Sum of the factor is 4. Right? Not possible. Okay. Now we discuss one function. Here method number 1. Because first method is easy in this sum. We take here x equal to 2. Here domain is R. So we take any one value. First we put 2. F2. Put here. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 into any number. 2 plus 1, 3. But that is 0 into any number, answer 0. Then we take minus 1. We take here minus 1. Put here minus 1. So minus 1 and plus 1, answer 0. Right? So two different value, but answer same. So this function is not 1 function. So condition is x1, x2 belongs to R, domain of F. x1 is not equal to x2. x1 and x2 both are different. Implies fx1 equal to fx2. But answer will be equal. Right? Therefore, this one is many one function. Otherwise, not one function. Okay? Same here. Okay? Look here. fx equal to x square plus 4x plus 5. We here apply the second method of one function. Which one? Every x1, x2 belongs to R, domain of F. fx1 equal to fx2. fx1, put here x equal to x1 in this quadratic polynomial. x1 square 4x1 plus 5. x2 square, here place x2 plus 4x2 plus 5. 5 cancel. Now here we take in left side. x1 square minus x2 square plus 4x1 minus 4x2 equal to 0. Draw the line by two terms. Apply the formula a square minus b square. x1 minus x2, x1 plus x2. 4 common. And here x1 minus x2 equal to 0. Now in whole term x1 minus x2 is common. So remaining x1 plus x2 plus 4 is equal to 0. Clear? Here two possibility, x1 minus x2 equal to 0, x1 equal to x2. And here x1 plus x2 minus 4 equal to 0. Here total two possibility. If this function, if anyone, this function is 1, then only one possibility x1 equal to x2. Right? But here two possibility. x1 equal to x2 and x1 plus x2 minus 4 also equal to 0. So this one is also not 1 function. In these two question, difference between these two question, here we apply factorize. So apply first method is very easy. So here not possible factorize, so we apply the second method. Is that clear? In both the question we discuss 1 function. Now similarly in both the question we discuss onto function. Now we discuss onto function in both the question. But first we discuss this question. In which condition in onto function? There exists y belongs to R codomain such that fx equal to y. Right? Condition in both the same question. There exists y belongs to R codomain of f such that fx equal to y. Clear? Okay. Now put here fx. X square plus 4x plus 5 equal to y. Now we try to subject x. Okay. Now 5 in right side. Otherwise splitting the last term. X square plus 4x. We find the last term. Apply the 8th standard formula. Middle term whole square upon 4 into first term. X square plus 4x. Our last term is 4. Here we 5. So splitting 5, 4 plus 1. Y. So this one say perfect square. X plus 2 whole square. 1 in right side. So y minus 1. We take square root y minus 1. Okay. Now x equal to minus 2, 2 in right side, plus minus root y minus 1. Clear? Here y belongs to R, codomain. R, that is rational, irrational, anyone positive, negative. Suppose we here 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, possible. So here answer is minus 2. Minus 2 also belongs to R. But we here take here 10. So 10 minus 1, 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Also possible. Okay. But we here less than 1. Because here y minus 1. Suppose we take here 0. Because y belongs to R. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1, negative number. So square root of negative number is not possible. Clear? So here x, value of x is does not belongs to R, domain of f. So function is not onto function. Clear? Again repeat. Same method. Put here fx. X square minus x minus 2 equal to y. Again we find the last term. Apply the last term formula, middle term whole square upon 4 into first term. So our last term is 1 by 4. Last term is 1 by 4. Verify. Square root of first term x, square root of last term 1 by 2 and multiply by 2. 2 cancel. Only x. So here x, middle term. Confirm? Right. So here plus 1 by 4. Here minus 1 by 4 and minus 2 equal to y. This is your perfect square. X minus 1 by 2 square minus this one. Simplify by this two term. We take LCM 1 and 8. 1 plus 8, same sign. So addition 1 plus 8, 9. So answer 9 by 4. Now 9 by 4 in right side. X minus 1 by 2 whole square. Y plus 9 by 4 square root. X minus 1 by 2 plus minus y plus 9 by 4. X equal to 1 by 2 plus minus y plus 9 by 4. We draw the number line. 9 divided by 4 approximately 2.20, exactly 2.25. So here 2, here 1 and here 3. 2.25 here. Okay. Now we take, suppose, second number line. Y equal to minus 2.25. Minus 2.25 here. Minus 2.25. Put here minus 2.25. Minus 9 by 4. So 0. So possible answer. 1 by 2 belongs to domain. But suppose we here minus 3. Put here minus 3. Smaller value. Minus 3. We take LCM. So minus 12 minus 3 plus 9 by 4. So minus 12 plus 9. Answer negative. And the square root of negative is not possible. Clear? So anyone minus 2.20 smaller than value of minus 2.25 always square root of negative. And negative square root is not possible. So does not belongs to our domain of f. Most of sum in a quadratic polynomial are not 1, 1 and not onto. Most of the sum. If it changed, otherwise difference between codomain, change the here codomain, so possible maybe quadratic polynomial is onto function. Right? Clear? Okay? Let's another example. F is the function of r minus 2 tends to r minus 2. Fx equal to 2x minus 1 upon x minus 2. Here domain is r minus 2. Right? We do not take 2. Only 2. Otherwise anyone you can take it. Okay? Because if we put here 2, so denominator will be 0. And function is not possible. Okay. So now 1 function. Method number 2. Method number 2. Every x1 x2 belongs to R minus 2 domain of f. Fx1 equal to fx2. Fx1 equal to 2x1 minus 1 upon x1 minus 2 equal to 2x2 minus 1 upon x2 minus 2. Clear? Now cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. This one multiply by AR. 2x1 minus 1 x2 minus 2. 2x2 minus 1 multiply by x1 minus 2. Now open the bracket. First we here multiply 2x1 multiply by this 2 term, then minus 1. 2x1 multiply by x2. 2x1 x2. 2x1 multiply by minus 2 minus 4x1. Now minus 1 multiply by this 2 term minus x2 plus 2. Same here. 2x1 x2 minus 4x2. Now minus 1 minus x1 plus 2. Now equal term will be cancelled. 2x1 x2 cancel. 2 cancel. Now remaining term minus 4x1 minus x2 equal to minus 4x2 minus x1. Right? Okay. Now minus 4x2 take here. Minus 4x2 in left side. So plus 4 minus 1 1x2. 4 minus 1 3x2. And minus 4x1 in take right side. So minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 and plus 1. Right? So here 3x1. Okay? 3 cancel. So x1 equal to x2. We take here fx1 equal to fx2 and we get answer x1 equal to x2. So this one's a 1 function. Clear? Okay. Now we discuss onto function. And here also apply second method. There exists y belongs to R minus 2 co-domain. Okay, because domain and codomain both are same. Y always belongs to codomain such that fx equal to y. So fx is what? 2x minus 1 x minus 2 equal to y. We take here y belongs to R, but we do not take 2. Y is equal to 2, not possible. Otherwise, any one value, you can take it. Cross multiplication, 2x minus 1 equal to xy minus 2y. Here, 2x minus xy equal to 1 in right side. So 1 minus 2y. X common. 2 minus y equal to 1 minus 2y. 2 minus y in denominator right side. So 1 minus 2y upon 2 minus y. In numerator and denominator in both term minus sign common. So answer term interchange 2y minus 1 and y minus 2. Same question. Look here. Same. This is our value of x. Here y belongs to R, but we do not take 2. So denominator never can be 0. Otherwise you can any one value put here y. Any one. Answer always belongs to R. Right? Okay. So belongs to R minus 2. Okay. Therefore onto function. Okay. 1 and onto. Okay. Another examples. N cross n tends to n. Cartesian product. Here this two sum we take here Cartesian product sum. N cross n, n cross n. Okay. Same question, say minor difference. Okay. First we discuss 1 function. F mn equal to m plus n. M also belongs to N also belongs to N. We start 1. Okay? 1 function. F1 1. Minimum value 1 1. 1 1. Here 1 plus 1. Answer 2. We write here sum of these two number. Here 1 2. Answer 1 plus 2 3. We take here 2 1. Answer is 3. Two different value, but answer is same. Right? So not 1 1. So it is called many one function. So we write here every x1 x2 belongs to n cross n. Every x1 x2 belongs to n cross n. x1 is not equal to x2. Value is different. But answer fx1 equal to fx2. Clear? Answer will be same. So it is called many one function. Many one function. Okay? Here fmn equal to nm. We take here m belongs to n belongs to n also. 1 1 1 1. If we take here same value in both the term x and y, so answer also same question. We write here mn and answer is nm. Convert the term. Suppose we take here 1 2. Answer is 2 1. Suppose we take here 2 1. Answer is 1 2. Different value 1 2 and 2 1. Here x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Here x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Otherwise you can write also, you can say also 1 belongs to 1 equal to m, n equal to 2. Here 2 equal to m and 1 equal to n. Okay? So 1 2 and 2 1 both are different. So answer also different. So one different value, different answer. Therefore 1 1 function. Look carefully, minor difference of this question and minor difference of the solution. Okay? So x1 is equal x1 x2 belongs to n cross n domain of f. x1 is not equal to x2 implies fx1 is not equal to fx2. So it is called 1 1 function. Okay? Clear? So this function is not 1 1, but this function is 1 1. Clear? Now we discuss onto function. Look here range. Here minimum value is 2. 2, 3, 4. If we take here 1, 3, answer is 4. 3, 2, answer is 5. Minimum value is 2. Alright? And 2, 3, 4 up to dash 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 positive natural number. So here range, first method in onto function, range and codomain. Range and codomain are not equal because here one answer of is 1 not possible. Minimum answer is 2. 1 is not possible and here n is the natural number. We start 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3 dash dash dash. So RF and codomain are not same. So therefore not onto function. Okay. Here we calculate. Look here answer. This is your range. Okay. We take here 1 1 answer 1 1. 1 2 answer 2 1. 2 1 answer 1 2. Here minimum value 1 1. Here codomain is also n cross n. And start also 1 1. Okay. So minimum value 1 1. Answer always natural number. So here RF and codomain are always equal. RF equal to n cross n. Codomain. Okay. Clear here. Codomain. So this one say onto function. Which one? Onto function. This one say 1 1 also and onto also. Here this portion is not 1 1, that is many one, and also not onto. In this portion we are minor changes. in our board examination, examiner, otherwise paper setter, here change the sum n minus 1. N cross n tends to n minus 1. Right? This one, so no change. Same. But here, onto function. RF. We start here 2, 3, range of function. 2, 3, 4, dash, dash, dash. 1 is not possible. And our question, we do not take 1 also. Right? We start here 2. And also our answer is also is 2. Right? So, RF, if the codomain is n minus 1, so RF, range of f and codomain are equal. So, function is onto. So, in your exam, read the question carefully. Right? Okay? Clear? So, this one say 1 1 and onto discuss. Okay? Thank you.